These AI ocean videos are getting millions of views right now, and almost nobody is creating them yet. One page gained thousands of followers just by posting videos like these. Some of their videos reached millions of views. Now watch what I created using the exact same method in less than 2 minutes. No editing, no 3D software, just ChatGPT and Meta AI. Let me show you exactly how I made it. The whole process takes just a couple of minutes. I already prepared all of the prompts for you. You can download them completely free from the link in the description. Next, I pasted it into ChatGPT. Within seconds, it generated 20 unique viral ocean video ideas. Simply choose the one you like the most. I'm going with this one. ChatGPT instantly created 2 things for me, an image prompt and an animation prompt. First, copy the image prompt, then paste it into ChatGPT and generate the image. The more realistic your image looks, the better your final video will be. Once the image was ready, I opened Meta AI. Upload your image and copy the animation prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Meta AI. Click Generate and let Meta AI bring your image to life. A few moments later, this was the final result. And that's only one example. You can create whales, sharks, orcas, giant squid, jellyfish, or anything else you can imagine. If you want more viral AI niches, free prompts, and the best AI tools, subscribe to Artur AI. And don't forget, all prompts are available for free in my Telegram. See you in the next video.